A particular CPA network sent me over $700 just by doing what I'm going to show you in this video. This video is CPA marketing for beginners, and the video is going to be based on 5 steps, and I believe at the 5th step, you're going to be at the point where you can go out there and make over $700 for yourself, alright? The very first thing that we are going to do is for us to understand how CPA marketing works. Let's take this offer as an example. This offer is going to pay us $23 for each person we bring to take an action, alright? What we are going to do is to copy the link. Okay, let's assume this very black line is the link that we just copied for that specific offer that is willing to pay us $23. Okay, now when you send out this your affiliate link, this black line, a user that you send it to is going to click on the link. Okay, when that user click on that link, he's going to be redirected to a landing page. All right, when he lands on the landing page, he's going to see the offer that are present. Then he might decide to take an action. Okay. And this action can be email submit or just simple sign up, okay? And once you take an action, you as the affiliate who sent out this black link is going to get paid $23, all right? You are being paid this $23 for the action you make this specific user to take here. And that is the reason why it is called cost per action, all right? If you don't still understand, let me repeat again in a different way. This whole diagram right here is the marketing, all right? You as the affiliate, you are sending out this your black link, this your affiliate link to the whole market, all right? And here is an action. For a person to take an action here, there is a price that is associated with it, which is $23. And whenever a person take that action, you are going to get paid $23. The ability for you to make a person to take an action right here in this whole market with a cost associated with it is where we have this CPA marketing, cost per action marketing. And at this point, I believe you must have known what we mean by the word CPA marketing. And if you do, I want you to go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And I do appreciate that. Now that we know what CPA marketing is all about, what we are going to do now is to go over to step 1 of this video. And step 1 says choose your CPA network / creating your account. Alright, if you go to Google, there are a bunch of CPA marketing out there. But for the sake of this video, since it's for beginners, we are going to be using CPA lead. Alright, and the reason why we are going to be using this affiliate network is that if you sign up today, you are going to be accepted. But if you go over to like mass balancing, CPA grip and all that, you are not going to be accepted directly. Alright, they are going to ask you a bunch of questions that you as a beginner will find it difficult to answer. Alright, so for the sake of the simplicity, we are going to be using CPA lead. Okay, and once you follow the link in the description of this video, you're going to land on this page. Alright, what you are going to do is to hit on this button that says sign up, and you're going to land on this page. Okay, here you can either sign up with your Gmail or just sign up as the traditional way. Okay, what you're going to do is to put in your first name, your last name, your email address, create a password and confirm your password. Here you're going to choose the security questions and you're going to put in a little answer about the security question. Then just hit on this button that says submit an information. Immediately you're going to be accepted. They're going to send you an email for verification. Just do that, you're going to be accepted. And once you log in, your homepage is going to look like this. Here is going to be your today earning, yesterday earning, this month, and uptime. But don't worry, your uptime is going to be 00. Alright, so this tab right here that said all countries is the place where you can sort by country. Here you can sort by any type like email submit, pin submit, and all that. Here you're going to choose your device, the device that you actually like to use for your offers. Alright, and here you can choose your advertiser, but it doesn't really matter what you do here. Okay. And once you go down, you're going to see the offers that are all present. Okay. If you want to see the high offers, what you're going to do is to toggle over this button right here and you're going to see different prices. Okay. You can see some of the offers are going to pay $61, $23. These are the high ones. All right. Once you are on the offer world like this, you can also see the device, the type, the country, and all that. You can see like this offer that is going to pay $61. Need only Android device and the traffic are going to be US. But don't worry, as a beginner, I'm going to show you the method that we are going to use today. I'm going to show you how I was able to make all that money. Now that you've seen the total dashboard and how everything works, what we are going to do now is to go over to the step 2 of this video. Alright, and the step 2 says choose an offer to promote. We are going to head over again to CPA lead and we're going to choose our offer. Okay, I know a lot of people will say if you want to choose an offer to promote, you use the US traffic or the top tier country traffic. But that is not the case. That is not how you're going to make money. Alright, everybody are targeting US. You targeting US, everybody targeting US. You're not going to make any money. Okay, since you are a beginner, what we are going to do, we are going to be targeting the Indians. Okay, because those people are very hardworking and they are going to be doing what we are going to be asking them to do. Okay, we are not going to be using US. I know the price of India might be a little low, but at least it's going to make you a lot of money. You are a beginner, you can't be targeting US, everybody is targeting US, lots of competition. So what we're going to do now is to head over to this place where you say countries, and you're going to find India. Alright, and once you select India, all the offers that are going to be on the dashboard, on the offer wall, are going to be for only people who live in India. Alright, so if I just go ahead and click on it, and you can see most of the offer here are for the people who live in India. Alright, there are some US, Italy, India. Most of the offer here are for people who live in India. Okay, and if you want to know all of this, what they are all about, you can always click on it to see it. Okay, now let's choose on this offer, this particular one that is going to pay us $2 for each person we make to take an action. All right, if you click on the offer, it's going to pop up just like this. Okay, and the first thing you want to do is to check how much it's going to pay. It's going to pay us $2.27. Okay, and the country must be India. What you're going to do is to come down here and read the instruction, what it's all about. It says only share with people from this country. That means the person must come from India, and the type of device must be Android, and the type of the action that going to be taken is just to sign up for an account. Okay, and most of the time you can preview the offer to see what it's all about. All right, and most of the time it's not going to pop up based on you are not from that country. This is the offer. This is the app that they are going to be downloading on the App Store. Okay, what you are going to do now is to copy the link. This is your affiliate link. You're going to copy it and paste it anywhere. You can even paste it on your WhatsApp, Google document, but just keep it somewhere. Okay, we are going to be using this affiliate link to be generating our money. So you're going to keep it very well. All right, now that we're choosing our offer to promote according to step 2, what we are going to do now is to go over to step 3. And step 3 says go to Picoworkers. All right, Picoworkers is basically a crowdsourced website where you can either work as a freelancer, be making some money, or advertise your business as an advertiser. All right, so we are not going to be working. We are going to be using the other way around as an advertiser. We are going to be driving our traffic from Picoworkers to that our affiliate link that we just copy. All right, there is a recent video that I just made on my channel where I make over $1,000 using this Picoworker. Okay, so we are going to be doing almost the same thing here. I don't want this video to be too long, so if you want to know how to sign up and all that, you can actually watch that video to have a basic knowledge. Then you can come over again to this video so that you have the full knowledge of it. Okay, and now that we got our account set up on Picoworker, what we are going to do now is to go over to the step 4 of this video. And step 4 says calculate your potential earning. All right, now for us to calculate our potential earning, there is actually a little calculation that I make for this video. All right, let's assume you want to make a 1K profit. According to this offer, that is going to pay us $2.27. Okay, if we have 500 people, at the end of the day, we are going to be making over $1,000. Now, these 500 people, we are going to be paying them 25 cents because this offer is going to pay us $2.27. We are going to be paying them only the 25 cents. If we pay these 500 people 25 cents, at the end of the day, we are going to be spending $125, and in profit, we are going to be making $1,000. So that was the main strategy that I also used to make my money on this platform. Okay, so it totally depends on you if you are ready to do it. Okay, and once you've understood how much you can potentially make, what we are going to do now is to go over to the last step of the video, which is the step 5. Step 5 says promote your offer. This is the very last step, and this is the most important part. Okay, here is actually going to determine how much you are going to be making. Okay, this payment right here was actually sent to me 4th of April, okay, which is last month at the time of making this video. All right, so this is not the only payment that I've received from this website. My total earning from the website is about $2,000. You've seen it already. For us to promote our offer, like I said earlier in the video, we're going to go over to Picoworkers and be creating our campaigns. Through that campaigns, we are going to be promoting our offers, right? And on Picoworker, what you are going to be doing is to your hit on this button that says post job, all right? You're going to be on this page. Here where they say the targeting zone, what you're going to be doing is to target Asia, all right? Because we are going to be using India, like I said earlier. And here it's going to ask you to select all countries that you don't want to perform the task, all right? I don't want any other person to perform the task apart from people who live in India. All right, you're going to leave only the Indians. And once you do that, you're going to hit apply and go to next. Okay, they're going to ask you to choose the job category. You're going to be using mobile application. All right, and here you're going to select download and install. Okay, and once you do that, you're going to apply and go to next. And once they say write the job title, what you are going to be doing is to go over to the offers and copy the name of the job. All right, just copy the name of the job, hit on copy, go over to Picoworkers, then you're going to paste it here. All right, and here they're going to ask you what specific tasks need to be completed. What you're going to do is to head over again to the same offer, then you're going to read everything to your understanding. Okay, like it says only target Android, convert, sign up for account. Your traffic should use the app after installing. That means once they download this app, they're going to use it for some time. All right. If you don't want to scratch your hair, you can just copy what is written here. Sign up for account. All right. Go over to Picoworkers and paste in the step 1. Okay. And you can actually add as many steps as you want. All right. Here you can leave this to be blank. And here you say require proof that the job was complete. You can say screenshot. You want to send the screenshot. And the proof too, you want to see the screenshot also. All right, you can add many as you want. Here is for auto-validated proof, but just leave this. You're going to do everything by yourself. Just leave it the way it is and hit on apply and go to next. It refused to pass because there is something missing. I missed something here. The proof, you must write something. Okay, and you can write something like send a screenshot. Okay, you must write something. That was the reason why it was denied. Apply and go to next. Now you're on the last page. All right, and once you're here, automatically they're going to show you how much is going to be the lowest. That means the lowest that you should pay the worker should be at least 70 cents, but we are willing to even pay 20 cents so that they will do it fast for us. All right. So the speed, you can leave it this way if you want it to be fast, or you can even have it and make it 500. Workers in there, you can say 500 people. All right. Position per worker 1. Workers will earn 20 cents. Require screenshots 2. Hold job time. The amount of time a worker can hold your job 5 minutes. Post can pay after approval. Just leave it at the way it is. Then you can say at the end of the day you are going to be spending $100. All right. And at the end of the day you're going to be making over $1,000. What I would recommend you to do is that don't make this to be 1,000. All right. Make it to be like 800, 700. So that it will look more like a human. 1,000 will be too fast and it might look like robots. Okay. So if you do it this way, you're going to be at the point where you can also receive this type of email right here on your phone. Okay. So if you all watched this video to this point, I do appreciate. Subscribe to this channel. If you learned anything from this video, give me a thumbs up and comment in the video saying CPA money. Okay. But if you want to use another way to make money, you don't want to do CPA marketing, this video right here and this playlist are going to show you different ways and another strategy that you can use to make money online. All right.